Mikey, we just wanted to congratulate you on this great adventure you're doing, and we'll be here in the pits. Scott Knox and all the team will be working on a Halifax, and it's all in tribute to our veterans and saving these warbirds. The Halifax is the most important combat bomber in all of Canadian aviation history. 70% of all combat flown by our Canadian boys out of England, 70% was flown on the Halifax, not the Lancaster. It's a really important airplane to our history, and we just wanted to tell you about all of the hard work we've been doing to build up a Halifax for the Bomber Command Museum of Canada. I'd like to just say howdy to all you guys out there, and keep rolling and keep restoring and rebuilding, and we'll be doing the same right alongside you. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you soon.